Hi guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto. I'm just going to show you today's install, which is a 10.25 inch screen into a Lexus RC series. I think it's about 2017, this car anyway, but we've got quite a few of these 10.25s to the Lexus anyway, so obviously get in touch with us, get some pictures over to us of the dash and all, because I say we always like to do some diligence on each car before we sell it. Okay, so this is the original menu. You can see here the system's working through the aux auxiliary input, if you want to call it, and basically that's where your sound output goes through. So I'm just going to flick over to the Android screen, which you can do it one of two ways. One is simply holding the home button down here between the command panel, which you can't actually see, or you can just alternatively just press the touch screen. 1 second, there you go. So that takes you into the Android side. So as you see, this is the home page here. So it's got navigation on there, which tends to be Google Maps, which comes pre-installed on the system anyway. You can download whatever maps of choice from the Play Store direct onto the system. Would it be an Android? Doesn't mean that you can't use your iPhone with it. It's totally fine. Just obviously Android's the operating system where you download the apps to. So iPhone phones will work totally fine. This car device here will take you back to the original car menu, which you can see just here. Just go back onto there, and obviously you've got your music, and this one here tends to be related, these two, the video and the music. So if you want to put your music onto a pen drive, your films even for the kids or whoever's driving next to you, then you can do that too. Let's see if there's anything on here to show you the quality of the HD. I don't think there is, because sometimes the factories tend to put a demo track on there, but obviously there's not one on there anyway. So okay, photos, which is another silly little device. I don't know why people want to put the photos on there. This one here is your Android Auto and CarPlay app. I don't think, let me 1 second. Yeah, I think we just need to switch the phone on, and it's not my phone, it's my staff member's phone, so I can't even show you the Android Auto CarPlay, but if you're familiar with that, you'll know what it is. Here we go, that's the startup screen for it. Let's see if it comes on. No, so there's probably a setting on the phone needs changing, to be honest with you. Let me go back to the original menu. So you've got the Google Play, that's your Play Store there. So if you sign into your Play Store, this is where you download any apps from, stuff like that. There's YouTube, which is self-explanatory. So you've got this part here, which takes into all your applications in the background. Any on there? So there's not many on there, to be honest with you. The factory don't preset it with that many. There's your Netflix there, there's your CarPlay app there, also a couple of Google sister apps. Here's your phone, here's your Bluetooth menu phone, which we'll need to set up for the customer. Let's have a little look at that one. Okay, that's a Google Assist support on there, so obviously you can set things up for Google if you want. Let me just go back on it's the first time I've played with one of these, to be honest, this system anyway. So that one there is what for. Okay, that's your camera. It hasn't got a front camera on, but obviously that's where you activate your rear camera when you put it into reverse. Your original rear camera will work fine with this. Here's an option. Oh, there's a few more apps there. It's very nice. Play Store, Google Chrome. Let's have a little look at that one there. Okay, so that tends to be relatable towards the back end settings. Also this nice feature here, which you can control some of the car's original AC fan, heated seats. So obviously a lot of systems these days sometimes you do have to go back onto the original menus to actually operate these, but as you can see, this is quite nice the way it shows you some of the original features of the car. So saving you having to go back over to the original car settings to play around with it, it'll all do it on the Android side too. Let's have a little look at that one there. There's your time. Navigation, okay, that's another nice one, which shows you navigation shortcuts on there. Don't know what it's going to do. Apologies guys, it's the first time I've played with the system anyway, because I say it's our first install on a Lexus. Okay, so let me just see if the door's open. No, let's have a little. I need to play around with it a bit more, guys, to be honest with you. Okay, so it's just a little bit of an inkling in terms of what you get with the system. Let me just put that back in there. And any more? Oh, there you go, there's some more there and all. So basically there's your auto setup, which I showed you before. Yeah, okay, hope you liked the video guys. If you it's a nice little unit, I'm quite impressed with it, to be honest with you. So if you got any questions, give us a shout, and we'll put the link down in the description down below and all our contact details. So if you got any questions, get in touch. Thanks a lot, bye bye.